Hey, what's up guys? Hope you all are doing great. In this video I'm going to review the nail polish remover wipes by Colorbar, and here you can see how the packaging is. The pack has also got a seal over it, and this is really a compact product which makes it travel friendly. So let's have a quick look over the features of this product. The first thing they have mentioned here is that this product is acetone free, so it does not cause dryness in the skin around the nail and cuticles. This product is vegan, so animal derived ingredients are not used in the product. It's cruelty free, means it not been tested on animals. They have also mentioned that it contains olive oil, and there are 30 wipes you get here, and they have mentioned that one wipe is sufficient for 10 nails. So let's have a look. Mention here that one wipe is sufficient for 10 nails. Let's test that. So here my friend is wearing a light color polish on all her 10 nails. So let's see how it works. That's really great. You could see here that she could clean all her 10 nails using single wipe. Now let's see how this works on a darker polish now. So here my friend is wearing a dark green polish on her nails with 2 coats, and let's see how the wipe works here. So one wipe was sufficient to clean such a dark polish from all her 10 nails. That's quite amazing. As you could see here, one wipe was sufficient to clean all 10 nails. This product really has that oil content which does not dry out the cuticles and nails, and it does not cause any itchiness or dryness around the nail. That really retains the natural shine on the nails. This one is really a good product, and it's a travel friendly product too. I had heard about this product from long time and had decided to buy this one this time, and I must say this is quite effective product. This retails at rupees 135 with 1 year shelf life. If you are new to my channel, then I would like you to know that I create content related to nails, that is nail art, nail polish swatches and review, nail care, nail hacks, and all about nails. If you are interested in this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notifications about new videos. Check out my other videos as well. Thank you for watching this one. See you in the next video. Bye.